That is way cool. You're redoing all the brake lines too,
huh? Everything, brake lines, fuel lines.
Nice.
Everything's been painted.
What's that?
So that's for you can mount a hitch to a receiver.
Okay.
Or not a hitch, a winch.
All right,
To a
cool.
receiver thing, you can slip it in there and then you don't have to have a solid mounted winch.
Huh. Beautiful.
It's kind of hard to see. This bracket here, remember how we were talking about the height difference and the putting this 3500 differential into the 2500?
Yeah.
This is the other problem area where if you don't have a lift, there's not enough room here.
Okay.
They changed something in the frame here to accept that bigger diff.
Yeah.
So I had to change the bolt hole by like an inch.
Does the 2500 bolt right in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, when it's not lifted, yeah.
Right, yeah, okay.
So
And it's part of the kit too?
Yeah, that's part of the kit.
Who made the kit?
Procom.
Okay.
It's from way back in the late 90s, this kit's from.
Do you know where the axles came from that we modified?
Those were from Rock Auto. They sell
Okay.
them pretty much everywhere. You can
Oh,
get them in
okay.
Napa.
Actually, I did. When I was doing my searches, I actually found these axles on Rock Auto. That's
Yep.
interesting.
Yep. So
Way cool.
they spin really, really nice. They fit in there nice.
Yeah.
Just have to wait and see.
Way cool. I can't wait to see the rest of it done.
Yeah, once we put some power to it. Rear end's all in, springs are all in. You're telling about the spring? Yeah. So I bought 5-inch lift springs to get rid of the blocks that came underneath the axle or underneath the leaf springs.
Okay.
So the springs showed up and they were shorter than what my stock springs and the blocks were. When me and Dad tore the old springs apart and modified them and put extra leaps in these 5-inch lift springs.
Yeah.
So now I got 2 main leaps.
Where's the front clip at?
In the shed.
Okay. Well, I can't wait to see it all together, man.
I know, it's gonna be
That is
cool.
awesome.
If he wants to walk back there.
He should see them because he'll